Maddy with the folk, gyal. Maddy with the folk, gyal. Put it on him cocky, make him all and pull up, gyal.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless all our greatest viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. I hope all is well. Anyone there checking right now, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Same? Yes, man, and guidance and protection upon you and your family and your loved one, partner, missus. You see me? Yes, man, you know the man of peace, and we want to say happy Labor Day to each and every one. As you can see on the screen, you know, Labor Day in Jamaica is a traditional day where we all come together in the community and make sure the community nice and clean and paint up if you paint up and chop down if you chop down bush and them things there. You see me? Yes, man, so peace and love in the community. Happy Labor Day, you know. Yeah, on the road, me there, so if you don't hear nice in the background, my apologies, I don't know, so I vlog on the go or some of them thing. You see, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You see, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yes, man, and also, you know, Blacker, but new song. Big up myself, Blacker. You know, Blacker, yeah, the original Blacker. Top 20 countdown show, the baddest show of Jamaica and the whole Caribbean, Trinidad, all over Guyana, yeah. See? Black have a new song named Maddy with the Work, Gyal. May I tell you? I'm going to give you a quick snippet of it. But before we do a quick snippet of it, you know, we're there on Labor Day, so yeah, man. You see this in the gleaner, so I bring it forth. Teach your kids and your children the importance of volunteering. You know, volunteering is a good thing, it's not a bad thing. Giving back to charity, you know, helping out. You know, you can go to charity and volunteer by just cooking, sharing out food, dishing out food. There's many ways of volunteering, you know. This doesn't have to be all about money and work for free and them things there. Trust me, volunteering is good and it also pays off, you know, on a resume, and when you need a resume, you know, or character feedback, it's very good in the long run, trust me. You know, but you know, some people think different. They might say, oh, I'm not doing no free work, I'm not work for free, but volunteering is a good thing. And it's good for the parents them to instill that in the kids them head and brain, you know. Yeah, man, I worry about volunteer work, but up to right now I do volunteering work. But the volunteering work at Jamaica, we were out there 2017, 2018 within the schools, and I'm doing volunteering now in the UK. You see it? It's all about giving back. So yeah, man, happy Labor Day to the people again. Worry about love and blessings. Now Black have a song named Maddy with the Work, Gyal. We could go now a quick snippet, and you know what I mean? Yeah.
Why you name me call up, gyal? Maddy with the folk, gyal. Maddy with the folk, gyal. Kill him with the work, gyal. Kill him with the work. When you back way upon it, gyal, back way upon it. Gyal, wind up on it, gyal, wind up on it. Gyal, side way upon it, gyal, side way upon it. But sit down on it, gyal.
Yeah, when a Blacker sang that, yeah? Gyal never go and butt on it. Me tell you say, yo, I can use some of the video them, because you know YouTube and them restriction, but the gyal man wind up themselves, man. And the rhythm right there on a bean, man, rhythm. Maddy with the Work, gyal. Yes, my people, so as I tell you, just go over Blacker page and give me support. Saying, yeah, man, and do remember, say, I have 2 singles out right now on one rhythm, Bonnie and Clyde and What Is Wrong With Humanity. And they're also a premiere. They're going to be premiered this weekend on Blacker Top 20 Countdown Show. So you know the whole Caribbean, I'm going to see that the whole Jamaica. We haven't seen American face. We are all the time. Big up yourself, Blacker, you know, ever grateful. You know what I mean? Yes, my people, I don't know your support is highly appreciated. See? Yes, man, but I'm going to a quick snippet of the Humanity song and Bonnie and Clyde. The video them up on my artist page, so you can go check them out. See? Yeah, man. To all the lovers of reggae music, here is 2 nice songs from Imeric and The Righteous Calling with him.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but won't and not sell them so for vanity? Girl, I love you so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me, baby?
Yes, man, those 2 songs and video. The video will be premiering on Blacker Top 20 Countdown Show, and you know the songs them available now on digital platforms. You see me and say, yeah man, so we are putting in the work, man. You don't know. So happy Labor Day again to, you know, my fellow Jamaicans. You know what I mean? Big up the whole Payne Avenue, the whole Portmore, you know. Kingston 1112, back to White Wing, all of the garrison them. Clean up the community and clean up the violence. You know what I mean? Yes man, clean up the community and clean up the violence. You know, the man of peace, and I love the send right across the board. That's what I say. Big up everybody on the platform, on the channel. Yeah man, if I even watch and I share the thing, you know, we're grateful. You know what I mean? Make sure you click the bell. If you are subscribed, make sure you click the bell so you get the alert when time I drop out the song. I'm put out the information, you know what I mean? I know this channel is very diverse, you know, we cover everything, we talk about everything, you know, not just music alone, but news, updates, interviews, you know what I mean, and we support other artists, upcoming and big, it doesn't matter. Once the food I share and the love I share, you know? Yeah man, so big up yourself, Blacker, my name is Gyal. Is it? Mad thing. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so. I just say a thing, man, happy Labor Day again, and you know, we just want you to stop the crime and done the crime and violence off of the street, off of the road. Is it? Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, blessed love, man.
Don't stop trying. Fly low, fly high.
Yes, man, and again, you know, more big up all of the trying people, them. One thing, go check out that single, a brand new release last week. Don't Stop Try Scene, and yeah, man, but I don't know. I love you know. Big up all ambitious people. Remember, keep trying. Live good, live clean, live honest and real with people. Don't watch you I play mind games with you, fight against you, and I pretend. You just keep it real. See? As well them say, who knows better, do better. So just stay focused, keep your eyes on the prize and aim for your dreams, because you will go sweet when the victory come, you know. If you sit down and wait for somebody to help you, I give you a handout or a link or anything, it may take longer than how you would have tried, you know, yourself. You see it, so. Yeah, man, you know, the man of peace, you know, and we keep the thing natural and real, you know, and peaceful. Love is the way, love is the order of the day, you know. Yeah, man, think positive, and positive things will reach you, you know. Yeah, man. You breathe negative, and negative things are going to come in your mindset and them things that you're surrounding. So, positivity is the way, is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. So, do remember to go check out Blacker song. Blacker, and if you're in Jamaica right now, happy Labor Day again. And look out for the video premiere and Blacker Top 20 chart show, the #1 Top 20 countdown show in Jamaica and the whole Caribbean. We are talking about Guyana, Barbados, Trinidad, St. Lucia, you know what I mean? And the whole Caribbean. So you must know, big up on yourself, for the man of peace, blessed love.
Don't stop trying until the day I die.
Yeah man, words of inspiration coming from I and I Marek, you know.